Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a game changer when it comes to style, how to choose the perfect outfit for your body type. Because honestly, dressing well isn't just about wearing trendy clothes, it's about understanding what works for your unique shape. And trust me, once you unlock that knowledge, your whole world will change. In this video, I'm going to break down the different body types, share some seriously helpful tips for dressing each one, and even highlight some apps and tools that can make shopping a breeze. Let's get started. Now you might be thinking, Tan, why is dressing for my body type so important? Well, let me tell you, darling. It's all about enhancing your natural proportions and boosting your confidence. When you wear clothes that complement your shape, you'll feel and look your absolute best, no matter the occasion. Think about it. A well-fitted blazer can make a petite frame look powerful, and high-waisted jeans, they can balance a curvier silhouette like magic. It's all about understanding what works for you. Okay, so let's talk body types. Understanding your body type is crucial for dressing in a way that highlights your best features and makes you feel confident. There are 5 primary ones to keep in mind, each with its own unique characteristics and styling needs. Hourglass, rectangle, apple, pear, and inverted triangle. Each of these body types has its own set of features that can be accentuated with the right clothing choices. An hourglass shape is all about balance. You've got those killer curves with a defined waist. Think of celebrities like Marilyn Monroe or Sofia Vergara. They often wear fitted dresses that highlight their waist and curves. Rectangle shapes tend to have similar measurements across the shoulders, waist, and hips. This body type can pull off a variety of styles, from flowy dresses to structured blazers. Adding belts can help create the illusion of a more defined waist. If you're rocking an apple shape, you've got a little more going on in the midsection with narrower hips. Empire waistlines and A-line dresses can be your best friends, as they draw attention away from the midsection and create a balanced look. Pear shapes, on the other hand, have wider hips compared to their shoulders. To balance this out, you can opt for tops with embellishments or patterns to draw attention upwards, and darker solid colors for your bottoms. And finally, we have the inverted triangle, which means you've got broader shoulders and a narrower lower body. V-neck tops and A-line skirts can help create a more balanced silhouette by drawing attention away from the shoulders. Now don't worry about trying to figure this out on your own. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. There are some amazing apps out there like My Shape Stylist or Stylebook that can help you determine your body type accurately. These tools can provide personalized recommendations and even suggest outfits that will make you look and feel your best. Alright, my hourglass beauties, let's talk about how to make those curves pop. The key here is to highlight your balanced proportions and that killer waistline. Think fitted clothing, like wrap dresses that cinch you in or tailored blazers that accentuate your shape. High-waisted jeans are your best friend. They'll make your legs look a mile long. And trust me, you can never go wrong with a classic pencil skirt and a tucked-in blouse. Just remember, avoid anything too oversized or shapeless. You want to show off those gorgeous curves. Chapter 4. Dressing for the rectangle body type. Now, for my rectangle lovelies, the goal is to create the illusion of curves and add some definition to your frame. This body type is characterized by a straight silhouette with minimal waist definition. But don't worry, with the right clothing choices, you can easily enhance your natural shape. Look for clothing with structure, like peplum tops that add volume to your hips. These tops are fantastic because they create the illusion of a more defined waist and fuller hips, giving you that coveted hourglass shape. Or belted jackets that cinch in your waist. Belted jackets are a great way to add definition to your midsection, making your waist appear smaller and your hips more pronounced. Layering is your best friend. It adds dimension and interest to your look. Try layering with cardigans, blazers, or even scarves to create depth and draw attention to different parts of your body. And don't be afraid to experiment with A-line skirts. These skirts flare out from the waist, creating a beautiful balance between your upper and lower body, or wide-leg pants. They'll help balance your silhouette beautifully. Wide-leg pants add volume to your lower half, which can make your waist look smaller in comparison. Oh, and there's a fantastic app called Closet Plus Personal Stylist. This app is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their wardrobe. It can help you plan outfits that enhance your shape. It's a game changer. With features that allow you to mix and match pieces, you can create looks that flatter your rectangle body type effortlessly. Chapter 5. Dressing for the apple body type. Okay, apple shapes, listen up. The key to dressing your body type is to draw attention away from the midsection and highlight your assets. Empire waist dresses or tops are your new best friends. They create a longer torso and make you look effortlessly chic. V necklines are also fantastic for elongating your neckline. And when it comes to colors and fabrics, stick with darker shades or structured materials around the waist. A flowy empire waist top paired with slim-fit jeans is a foolproof outfit formula that will always make you look and feel amazing. Chapter 6. Dressing for the pear body type. Now, my pear-shaped darlings, it's all about balance. We want to emphasize your upper body and create a more balanced silhouette. Choose tops with embellishments, ruffles, or bold patterns to draw the eye upwards. A-line skirts and bootcut jeans are your best friends. They flatter your lower half like no other. And remember, avoid anything too tight around the hips. We want to create a smooth, flowing line. A bright, off-shoulder top paired with neutral, wide-leg pants is a surefire way to turn heads. Alright, inverted triangle queens, let's talk about how to soften those shoulders and add some volume to your lower half. Flowy or flared bottoms like palazzo pants are your secret weapon. They create balance and add movement to your look. Avoid shoulder pads or tops with too much structure. We want to create a softer line. Wrap dresses and tops are also fantastic for balancing your proportions. And pro-tip vertical stripes are your best friend. They elongate your figure and downplay broad shoulders. Chapter 8. Accessories and fabrics. The finishing touches. Now, let's talk about accessories and fabrics. They can make or break your outfit, so listen closely. Accessories are the little details that can elevate your look from ordinary to extraordinary. They add personality and flair, making your outfit uniquely yours. Belts are a must-have for defining your waist and adding shape to any outfit. Whether you prefer a classic leather belt or a trendy chain belt, the right choice can transform your silhouette. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for your body type and the look you're going for. When it comes to fabrics, choose ones that drape well, like silk or jersey, for a fluid and flattering look. Silk offers a luxurious feel and a beautiful sheen, while jersey is comfortable and versatile. Both fabrics can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for various occasions. And don't forget about statement jewelry. Bold necklaces, oversized earrings, and chunky bracelets can add a touch of drama and elegance to your ensemble. These pieces are perfect for drawing attention and making a memorable impression. It's a fantastic way to draw attention to your best features. A well-chosen piece of jewelry can highlight your neckline, wrists, or ears, adding a focal point to your outfit. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces to create a look that's uniquely yours. Oh, and there's a brilliant app called Polyvore that can help you mix and match accessories with your outfits. This app allows you to experiment with different combinations without having to try everything on physically. It's a great way to visualize your outfit and make sure everything works together. It's like having a personal stylist in your pocket. With just a few taps, you can get styling tips and outfit suggestions tailored to your preferences. This makes it easier than ever to put together a polished and cohesive look, no matter the occasion. Chapter 9. Final styling tips. Confidence is key. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few final styling tips. Remember, the key to dressing well is confidence. Always prioritize fit over size and focus on what makes you feel good. A well-tailored blazer or a perfectly fitted pair of jeans can elevate your look instantly. And don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends until you find what works for you. The most important thing is to own your style and rock it with confidence. Chapter 10. Final thoughts. Embrace your unique style. So there you have it, my loves. Choosing the perfect outfit for your body type isn't about following rigid rules. It's about understanding what works for you and owning your style. Remember, you are beautiful and unique, and your clothes should reflect that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion and styling tips. And don't forget to share your favorite outfit hacks in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Outro, you've got this. Now go forth and conquer the world with your newfound style knowledge. Remember, the most important thing is to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your unique shape, experiment with different styles, and don't be afraid to break a few fashion rules along the way. And remember, if you ever need a little style inspiration, I'm just a click away.